Hey guys, let's talk about this Hoover carpet cleaner. I got it for myself just to clean my stairs and small rocks that I have in my home. In my opinion, this is a perfect solution for smaller areas and stairs. Look how big it is, or I would say how small it is. It's pretty light. It is not a problem to carry it. It sits perfectly on stairs. When I put it here, it's very stable. The head right here, it's wide enough to use on stairs, but not too wide. This one has this electric cord. It's pretty long. It's about, I would say, 18 feet long, very flexible and easy to store on this side of this cleaner. The head can be easily removed and you can put it back in one click. Really easy to store, really easy to carry. One thing I would like to mention, it's pretty loud, so be ready. It's not that quiet as a regular cleaner, but it uses water and it has enough suction power. That's why it's louder. So in conclusion, you can use it for your rugs, for your stairs, even for your car. If you look for a cleaner that's easy to use, easy to store, take a look at this Hoover vacuum cleaner and give it a chance. Thanks for watching.